Have you ever rate yourself? Have you ever given the chance to rate yourself? And what have you rated yourself? Have you rated more than what is expected of you? Or you just rate yourself low? According to our professor way back in college days, according to her, we are going to rate ourselves. Then we rated ourselves. And then she analyzed our score. If we rate ourselves 2, then we are overestimating ourselves. If we are rated, if we rated ourselves 2.5, then we underestimated ourselves. So, what do you or how do you rate yourself? Do you underestimate yourself or do you overestimate yourself? But in anyway, it is always good to for me to overestimate yourself than to underestimate it, because actually in reality no one will believe us in the way we should do, because if we know ourselves, we know what we're doing, we know what our efforts, our dedications, our sacrifices, then why we are going to underrate ourselves? So it's better for us to overestimate ourselves if we really work hard. But it is still our liability to overestimate ourselves, even if we know that we perform lower than we can. Maybe we are postponing, procrastinating what we should do because we are giving priority to other things that we neglect doing what we should do, especially in our task as a mother, as a worker, as everyone, everything that we are playing, the role we play. So, in rating ourselves, we should always believe what is true. It's better to overestimate a little, but don't be too confident that we forget that we are really neglecting our duties. So it's up to us to look into the reality of ourselves, because we are the one who really knows ourselves, and we should always believe in ourselves. This is Venima GC Flores, and thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you the next one. And if you do not subscribe yet, please subscribe to our channel to be a part of our family. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye.